Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, I'm making some cheesy shredded stew. So come on with me, guys. Now the chicken is already shredded. It's been cooking in a slow cooker for a couple of hours and is soft enough for me to shred right in its broth. Since the chicken cutlets were whole, here I am in the broth, just shredding it before we start the stew in the other pot. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add some broccoli because remember the chicken is pretty much done and shredded. There's my son Matthew. So he wanted some broccoli in here and we are going to have to cut up some potatoes because he asked for those. They don't take very long to cook. Now we are going to go ahead and season all of this and then continue. Now, I usually use my own house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. If I don't have the oregano, then I go ahead and use Italian seasoning. Okay, so I went ahead and added some olive oil, and I also will be adding a little bit of taco seasoning just to give it more flavor because I really don't have a lot of chicken stock, so you got to alternate, guys. Now, of course, we love onions, but if you don't want the onions, just omit that or maybe substitute it for something else you do like. Matthew also wanted me to steam some white rice, so that's what we're doing here. I don't know if I mentioned cheesy at the beginning, but Matthew absolutely loves cheese. So we're going to turn this stew into a cheesy stew, and it is going to come out amazing. Now, I always combine cheeses because if you just use one, it doesn't get as creamy. And I also added some sour cream. So we have the deluxe American sliced cheese. We added quite a bit of that. Then we go to the shredded sharp cheddar. And I do believe I added some mozzarella. So we added some of that. Yep, that's what we did. And all of that gets nice and creamy. And it doesn't have to cook long once you add the cheese. Now, I said I had added some sour cream, but then he passes me the cream, regular cream. So that's what I added because all it does is make it more rich and it looks amazing. My rice came out perfect. I'm serving this up and we're heading on over to the reveal. This came out absolutely delicious. So I just want to take a moment and thank Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living for hosting this collaboration with me. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.